We are in mid-September and now is the perfect time to harvest lavender. I'm going to show you how to make dried lavender bunches. Step 1. Harvest lavender. Choose stems where half the buds are open. This is when oils are at their peak. I know it sounds nerdy, but you do want fragrant lavender, don't you? Step 2. Prep the lavender. Remove all the leaves. Gather the stems into even long bunches. Make sure they're not too thick. Tie them with a rubber band or a string. Make sure it's tight because as it dries, it gets a little loosey-goosey, and you don't want that. Step 3 is drying, which is the last step, so let's go and dry it. You can hang them around your mother-in-law's neck. Because of legal implications, I can't store her in a dark room for a few weeks. We're gonna try another way. Instead, I'll be hanging it in my guest room closet, which is dark, dry, and airy. In about 2 weeks, it'll be ready for use. When ready, you can put it in a vase. Make lavender tea to help relax you. Make it into a beautiful wreath and hang it outside your front door. Or you can make little sachet bags and shove them in each and every stinky crevice of your home. For more gardening tips, you can visit my website at dphomes.com and or be the 3rd subscriber to my YouTube channel at DP Homes. Happy gardening!